In this video, I'm going to discuss the Bitcoin halving and the prices that preceded the Bitcoin halving from 2012, 2016, and 2020. You're going to want to hear this because this is going to be really relevant to what is happening now. Okay, so the first month after the Bitcoin halving, after the first Bitcoin halving in 2012, Bitcoin was up 9%. And if you kind of sold after 9%, you really missed out, because afterwards, 1 year later after the Bitcoin halving in 2012, Bitcoin was up 8,839%. Yes, ouch, that would have sucked. Okay, so let's go over to 2016, which is actually very similar to what we're having right now. Bitcoin was 10% down after the first month after the halving in 2016. So right now we're about 16% off our all-time highs, which is totally fine. But keep in mind that after that, 1 year later after the halving, Bitcoin was up 285%. So what do you take from that? If it's down 10%, probably don't panic, because you would have missed out back then. If you panic sold at 10% down, you would have missed out on a 285% gain. Yes, you would have been kicking yourself. Let's go on to 2020. 1 month after the halving, it was down 6%. 1 year after the halving, it was up 548%. Now let me rewind back to the first Bitcoin halving on why we went up 8,839%. It's because the market cap for Bitcoin was super low, which means any amount of capital going into Bitcoin would have just skyrocketed the price, and that is exactly what we saw. That was my first year invested in Bitcoin, and I couldn't even believe my eyes, because I was so used to the stock market going up 10% and me just, partying because I made 10%. Couldn't believe the amount that we made. And then I wrote it down. That was pretty wild. Now, what do we have to look forward to going forward? Okay, so this is according to the US. This is Coinbase's last survey shows 20% of American adults own crypto. Crypto adoption is growing at a rate of 40% per year. So yes, we are going to experience the law of diminishing returns, which means the higher we go, we're probably not going to go 8,000% this time around. What's going to happen is you're going to see more and more people adopt Bitcoin slowly but surely. They are definitely going to do that, and you're going to see a lot of the Bitcoin that was once available to the public becoming not available to the public because of people or institutions like BlackRock, Fidelity, and so many other family offices.
And the Toby Institution.
And the Toby Institution, yes. And if you do want to see what we are buying, I am very active on learningcrypto.com. That is where you get to see our portfolio and market updates. I'm very active on that. Plus, if you want to check me out on Twitter, which I'm very controversial, I would say, it is at Sir Crypto Tips. Yeah, you can get to see more of my personality on that side. Anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. And I just want to say really quickly, thank you guys for supporting our channel, from following us for so long. We really appreciate it. All right, talk to you guys soon. Bye.